Hello, and I'm going to show you how to survive your first night on Minecraft. So I'm going to call this world Survivor. No, not Survivor. YouTube. Sorry if my hand's going in the way, but I'm just going to have to deal with that. As it says, building terrain. I'm going to show you how to survive your first night and build shelter in this one. Alright, so we're in the world. At first, you'll want to dig out some, and by doing that, just hold down the left button and wait until it stops. I wish I only had to do a lot more though. Okay, can you dig out some bits? Can you find some? Oh, I might find some trees. Go to the trees. And that's where you'll find your shelter, where you'd want to stay for the night, trust me. And in the water.
Yeah.
So, just go up here, find like somewhere right near trees. That would be the first point. I might dig like make this bit here all level. You know what I mean? I might dig underground, to be honest. Oh, hi sheep. Oh, you naked little motherfucker. So this is going to be like the same place around. Okay, I'll do more videos on these. So ask me if you want me to do some like different ones. So now I think this will be a bit deep. This will be the right size of your house. About 3 centimeters wide. Don't know how far you want to go in there, as far as you want really. I'll show you what to do after. Oh, some cobblestone. I'll do that in a minute. So there's a bit of axes and all that. This bit here. So you'll need to buy this game, to be honest. So it's quite annoying sometimes. You're like, why am I playing this game because it's got bad graphics? Once you get used to it, it's actually alright. Or you haven't played it for yourself, so you don't really know, do you? So a bit about that. Just had to check something quickly. So just make this all level. You know what I mean? And then all that there. It is like front entrance to that. Right now I just need to go and dig some trees up, get some wood. So then got 2 bits of wood so far. I only need to get about 15 maximum wood than that. Minimum about of 7. So it's bad time to do it when I'm not well. You might think I'm in my other video, but I'm actually not. So let's dig some trees out. You might find this a bit boring, so I'm just going to skip this right now. No, I might not skip it actually. So I've got 10 bits of wood, 1 tree sap. I've got to plant the tree sap later. I'll show you what to do if you build your own garden and all that. First of all, once you've done this, I want to show you what you have to do first. There's lots of wood up there, isn't there? So then, I've got 15 bits of wood. Almost. No, I've actually got 16. So most the sun's in the middle of the sky, good time. Oh, got loads of tree sap. So inside here, I'm gonna go press I to get this up. Like that. Make some wooden planks. Get about 20 wooden planks. Where is that? It's not them actually. It's these that do it. So then just make a crafting table. So then what we do with the crafting table is I go onto it, put these out, so then I press I. Oh no, press. Okay, so then I will do this. That's about 12 sticks, yeah. 12 sticks, do this. And get your wood and planks. Build a wooden pickaxe. I don't need these 3 actually. I've got a wooden pickaxe. Okay, so then that's you see my wooden pickaxe. See this? Oh man, I'm losing this today. So then where's some mountains? But actually the mountains are over there. But I'm not going over there. That's where I do this. Remember I found that stuff inside here. All this stuff here. That's cobblestone. Make the house a bit deeper. To be honest. This will make that stone. All that this film. So then it's gonna like do this. Yeah. Remember, there'll always be some of these spiders, and you can also hack it, to be honest. Oh, let me just dig this up. So my crafting table's going to be up there. So you've always got to remember where you put it. Okay, so this is the first step of building your house, alright? I'll see you next time for the second step.